TSF Town Committee members sat on a strike in front of North Gate of the capital Agartala in demand of Roman script on Monday. Students of TSF protest by burning tire in the mid of the route. Later, after 2 hours of protest, police took them to Edinagar ground. Like it was decided before, on Monday morning starting from 6 am, road blockade was conducted in various areas of the state. Likewise, on Monday, with the initiatives of TSF Town Committee, students member of TSF blocked the road adjacent to North Gate of the capital Agartala. Students of TSF protested with their might, standing under the rain and raising their voices in demand of Roman script. A force of police and TSR gathered at the road blockade more than the requirement. After that, higher official of police ordered the TSF members to lift the road blockade. Meanwhile, TSF members have spoken and explained clearly in front of media about the necessities of strike and why has the TSF called a strike on Monday.
Chini media rokno hambai jungno coverage khabe mani bagai jung saimano dini 28 August TSF pai rinja marakon jung sara Tripura kenangi no tabok sini warriors rok sini members rok ai ko borok hamsak nai rok joto Tripura hani lukuro Chini ko korok no forum khlainai ro ini joto no nogo asukui tongya boi amawo angkhalai jak chini strike no successful khlainai bagai mohakena chutine Agartala bojung asukui tonglia jung TSF rok jung tina Agartala bojung abo chini picketing jung cholei tongo jung khlai thangnai dini salsa makeno jung Agartala wo khlai thangnai amo chini message Tai jeng aroni simin naroni trutoi amago message rani musungo sarkar no chini khorang khna yangke chini dabina mane na yake kok borok no roman script by suina ni sepri yangke omni saibo choba koto taibo puskang ni mano amni bagai jeng sarkar government na asokui tongnai rokna aware klena ni musungo chini dimana date mane na ni bagai jadi tak dimana yake omni saibo choba koto taibo engi thangnai surat dia sam semuanya Tripura hani joto lukuro jeng jadi jeng Tripura saya bawa joto jengko jeng dabina hamto rumah skrim jeng joto bina jeng joto dina Agartala bo jeng mana ayo joto na tini dugaan plus kali jeng joto office rok thangya boy mana lai meni bising jeng le ara gonta na pomna sakit bo kaina ni bagai joto Tripura hani lukuro jeng na sampai lai
Today, 28 August, TSF call all Tripura strike for our language, script, We asking the government of Tripura and central government. We have rights to our language, to write our own language, and we prepare. We asking for one side. This demand is constitutional demand. We are not against any communal. We are not here for any communal violence. We are just asking. We are demanding our language one stream. So that is why we here brigading and this demand is very long time demand, long pending demand. That is why we are came here today at Agartala and demanding for this one street.
TSF students protested with their might under the rain by burning the tire in the mid of the road. However, after 2 hours of protesting, police tried to arrest them, which is why TSF students started lying down on the road. But numbers of police force were more than the protester, which is why TSF members were taken by the police forcefully to AD Nagar ground. Reported by Omid from Agartala, Chini Khorang.